Hi guys, how are you everyone? So today we are going to do unboxing Synology DS220 Plus and we are going to configure this. I will show you all the steps what you require to configure and how to configure. So I will show you.
Okay.
Okay, so we will see what we get from the box. Oh, okay. So here is our drive with fully covered with this cover. Oh, okay. This is a new model 220. Before it was 218. Now it's updated with 220. I think we need to open this. Yeah. So here we got two slots for the hard drives and one USB port here on the front and one LED and one power button here. And here's the LAN states LEDs, and back side we have two LAN adapters port and one USB here also. Here is power and here is a bigger fan to keep it cool. Okay, so what else we have here in this box? We have one power cable, we have one power adapter also, and one network cable we have. What else? Nothing. So this is the thing we got from the box, and we have two hard drive here, 4 TB. We are going to insert it in the slots, and I will show you step by step how to do this. First of all, we can pull up the case by pressing this. We can pull up the hard drive case. Here is two case. Just push this to up and take out the. There you can see there is two data slots there for the hard drive inside. If you can see. Okay, so let me open the hard drive case. Okay, here we got WD red NAS drives, 24 hour by 365 days. It can run continuously with the 6 GB second speed. So this is especially for the NAS drives. Okay, let me put it back here. So friends, there's the lock here. You can open the lock simply from here, and second is from here. Okay, so simply you can insert your hard drive. Let me see, I think this side. Yeah, I think this. Okay, let me figure out the which side you can put it here. I'm going to pause the video now to see how it fixed. Then later on I will show you. Yeah. So guys, this side you need to keep upside to the cover.
50% sale 10,000
Nahi, close karo. Guys, so you need to keep this color upside. I tried here, so this will be fit automatically backside. So this you keep upside, and then you can simply drag it inside like this, and it will be automatically locked up inside. So same thing we will do for the second drive. We will open second drive. open up second drive and we will put it same way. Okay, then you can lock it back.
Oh, genius.
Let me, why it's not going to fit?
ആര് വന്നേ?
Let me see
എങ്ങനെ
again.
എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല.
Okay.
So guys, sometime the hair is one rubber type, okay? It moves up and down, so you need to be careful to keep it same as the slot of this hard disk. Otherwise it will not fit properly. So it moves up and down. You can see this slot is moved. See, now it automatically locked up. So you need to be careful about the lock of the hard disk to be proper fit. Okay, so this is the second drives.
രാവിലെ അമ്പലത്തിൽ പോയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ വൈകിട്ട് അമ്പലത്തിൽ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ വാങ്ങിയിട്ട് വരാം. തൊഴുതും പോലെയായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ.
Okay, so the lock need to be automatically pushed down. So here is the cover. You need to keep that.
ശരി ശരി.
I think it is simple. The lock it has only 4 dots. It has like magnet,
പോലെ ഹൃദയനാണ്.
and it just attach it to the front. It has only 4 lock like this. It goes inside here, 2 here and 2 downside. So I don't know how they made it, but this is how it's set up. This is the setup. So I will plug in now and I will show you what is inside, what we can access through the web browser and how to configure it. Mouse button, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, so we are going to start up the drive. We will put the network cable and the power adapter, and I'm going to switch on. After this, we need to turn it on from the front button. Here is the button. So you can see I just press the power button and it's booting now. It will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes to boot up properly, and it will initialize the disks to start it properly, and it has little sound, but I think in the startup it will make some sound, but after that it will be cool. So I will access the Synology on my network, and I'm going to show you how we can access and what is the first page look like. As you can see, all the LEDs started now blinking. LAN 1V which we connected, and the status tell the orange because it's I think initializing, and the disk is yellow now, and I think it's okay. The disks are okay. Let this device properly boot up, then we will access through the browser. So guys, when we install first time, we can write on the web find.synology.com. It will find out your Synology NAS which you have connected in your network. I have connected this Synology NAS DS220 plus, and it's showing me to connect. So I need to agree for the license, terms and conditions, then next, continue for the privacy statements. It will load. So see, it is asking us to set up, so we can set up this now. We have not installed the disk station yet, so we need to install the drives. We can say install now. Okay, all the data on the hard disk will be removed during installation. Okay, no issues, we don't have any data on the hard disk, so it's okay. So it will take some time to install the destination manager, and it will format over our hard disk, so it can take, they're saying approximately 10 minutes, but I don't think so. It will take 10 minutes when you have the new hard drives, because the new hard drive is already fresh, there's no data, so that's why. I will pause the video until it goes up. So after finishing the formatting, it is asking like restarting your Synology NAS, so it means it's restarting our Synology, and it's giving us time almost 10 minutes, so not sure how long it will take for this. So guys, here is the volume. You can create volume here for your drive. There's two options we have. The system will create SHR value which optimize the performance and space allocation. When two or more drives are installed, data protection of a drive is available. This is recommended for general user. High availability is not support to customer if the is for advanced user and want to choose their own RAID types and needs. Okay, so where we will go for custom, choose an existing storage pool, because we already created a pool here. Our pool, yeah, this is the pool we have created. One storage pool, one we already created. RAID 1 we have created, so we will go next. Here I have confusion. I will see what need to be selected. BTRFS is a new feature they have, and the ext4 is the old for the file station. So I will check it which we need, and I will explain you here. So guys, BTRFS is more advanced. It has more protection, and some features are more there in BTRFS than ext4. So we will go with the BTRFS. So we will go for max. We will go next. We can modify the allocated data for this volume, but we want to give the maximum, so I will use this maximum data what we have. So next, and I will apply this volume. So now it's creating the volume. So I created with RAID 1 because we need the protection of the data. If tomorrow data is going to lose, then it will be trouble for who's handling this. So now we created volume, and it is saying healthy. We got 3.49 TB here from 2 hard drives, and now our pool is ready and healthy. 2 hard disks, you can see both are in normal and healthy condition, so now we can use it. I created here pool with RAID 1. Okay, so now we can go Now we can go to our share. Now we can go to our file station here to create our shares. Now there is no share folder available. If you want to go to share folder to pay to create a share folder. Okay, so we will go to share folder, pay to create here share name. Now so guys, I created here marketing one share folder name, but it is asking me also to here enable recycle bin, because if by mistake they delete some files, so it will go to recycle bin, but I don't want to be enable this. So it is more headache if they do something and you have to go and look the file, and no need to do this. The share folder name contains invalid character. Okay, so it is not accepting the space, guys, so be careful when you give space, it will not accept. So now let's go to next. If you want more encryption on this folder, you can encrypt this folder with the encryption key, but I don't want to set any encryption. So next, if you want to set the data checkup on this share folder, the device, the Synology NAS will check the data always, but I don't want to set anything. And here you can set the quota, like for this department or this user, we can set the data, how many GB we want to allow to that specific user. But I don't want to set quota because I want them to use unlimited storage. So this is the marketing. I have created share folder, so I will apply. So it is asking me to give access according to the requirement to that user. So I created marketing user here already, so I will give him read and write access to this this share folder to this user. And this is the marketing share folder. So this we created now, so it's done. I think we can create next any other share folder and we can give the access according to that. So up to us. Here you can create users, you can edit user, you can create new. So I think this is all you can do here for now. And here is one package center. You can download some softwares according to your requirement. There are some softwares with this, like active backup for business. If you want to back up your PCs and your laptops automatic to your NAS drive, you can download this. And there are other softwares also there. iTunes server for the iTunes multimedia, to keep media server to keep your files or to run the media on your smart TV. You can download this media server. So there are a couple of softwares you can use as per your need. So I'm going to use only this one, the active backup, because I want to set the backup for my 2 and 3 systems. Okay, and here's control center. Same, this quick connect, you can install the application on your phone. You can access your shares on your phone also. You can upload data from your phone also. So up to you. Here's nothing much to do. And here's the network setting. You have your server name, your IP, your gateway, all you can set here. I have connected only one LAN connection now, but I will connect that second one for the aggregation, so it will give me better connection. So this is all you can do. You can play here with the network setting if you need to access this device from outside with the public IP and all this you can do here also. So this is all.